Hi, I'm Rob Moyer, CEO and lead promoter here at Rexart. Today, I want to share with you a little bit about our Model R rebuild compressor that we now have available. Part number on this is a 5-25-0016RB. I'm going to share with you just a few of the features and upgrades that come with this compressor. The belt guard, it's a little bit hard to see, but now the whole back side of these are perforated. Now you can see the belt spinning much easier than on prior models. The trap drains have been upgraded, so much easier to operate the valves. The flow indicator has now been upgraded as well. You may notice that the piping, this is also available as a separate kit, but this has been upgraded as well. Something that has just been released recently is the crankcase relief valve kit. This has been added to this system and comes available already installed. Something else that you may notice that's different from a compressor that you already have installed is the oil drain as well. So what we've done is we've moved this from the front of the case to the side. So should you have to access the inside of this for any reason, it's much easier now to do. All of this comes available for $53,750 and is complete with a 1-year warranty. If you've got questions, please reach out to us. Let us know your interest. Thanks for contacting us. Have a great day.